Drawn from nature, John James Audubon's Birds of America, the Pileated Woodpecker. Welcome to Princeton Audubon Prints. In John James Audubon's own words, "It would be difficult for me to say in what part of our extensive country I have not met with this hardy inhabitant of the forest. The pileated woodpecker is everywhere to be found in the wild woods, although scarce and shy in the peopled districts. The pileated woodpecker is fond of Indian corn, chestnuts, acorns, fruits of every kind, particularly wild grapes and insects of all descriptions. The flight of this well-known bird is powerful and on occasion greatly protracted, resembling in all respects that of the ivory-billed woodpecker. Its notes are loud and clear, and the rolling sound produced by its hammerings may be heard at the distance of 1/4 of a mile." Well, let's examine what is arguably one of Audubon's finest compositions, the pileated woodpecker.